See?
What's that?
What is it?
Hi. Look. What's camera guy?
Oh, you got me center of attention, huh? What is this?
Oh, cool.
Wow. What is
It's trick-or-treat bags?
Elena. Look.
Open.
Look. Wow.
What's that?
Look at the happy Halloween Melina. TT Nancy and Alexis. Look. Melina, what's in here?
Wow.
Wow. Can you open it?
Who is it? Elmo. Let me see. Elmo, let me see.
Cute little Halloween bag.
That's cool.
Oh, what's in there?
Yeah, that's cool. I'm glad we didn't buy one.
Wow, what are those? What are those things?
What's that, Cameron?
Wow. What is it? It's a new cup. I know what else is in here? What else is in there? What else is in there? You know what's this?
So I guess one's in the juice now.
She's like, I need something in there. I know we gotta put something. What else is in here? Look. What else is in here? Wow.
A sword?
It's a glow sword.
That's cool. So I guess what's in juice. Say thank you.